Let me tell you a quick story. 1 year ago, I was stuck in a job I hated, Googling how to start a business with no money during lunch breaks. Sound familiar? Now I run three online income streams, some making money even while I sleep, and it all started with one idea. So today, I'm breaking down 7 powerful business ideas you can start in 2025 with little to no money and a lot of potential. Business ideas. Here's a quick look at what we're diving into today. Number 1, AI powered content services. Number 2, digital product stores. Number 3, user generated content, UGC creation. Number 4, AI automated drop shipping. Number 5, Notion template businesses. Number 6, AI prompt engineering. Number 7, local SEO services for small businesses. Stick around because number 6 and number 7 could be the biggest opportunities that almost no one's talking about yet. Idea number 1, AI powered content services. Businesses constantly need content, blogs, emails, product descriptions. You can offer these services using AI tools like Chat, GPT, or Jasper. The best part, you don't need to be a professional writer. AI does 70% of the heavy lifting. You just polish and deliver. I know creators charging $50 to $200 per piece after learning this in under a week. Start on Fiverr or pitch to small businesses in your area. Idea number 2, digital product store. Digital products are one of the most passive business models out there. You make something once, like a planner, workbook, or checklist, and sell it over and over on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. I know someone who made a digital wedding planner bundle in Canva and now makes $500 a month. No shipping, no inventory, just creativity. Idea number 3, UGC creation. UGC stands for user generated content. You film simple videos with products at home, like reviews, unboxings, or how to clips. Brands love this because it feels authentic. No followers needed, just a smartphone and decent lighting. UGC creators are landing $100 to $500 per video campaigns. TikTok is the gold mine for this. Idea number 4, AI automated drop shipping. Drop shipping isn't dead, it's just evolved. Use AI to automate product descriptions, email replies, and even create ad creatives. Tools like Autodesk, Shopify, and ChatGPT make it easier than ever. You don't hold inventory, you just market, sell, and let suppliers handle the rest. Test one product at a time and use AI to run lean and smart. Idea number 5, Notion template business. If you're organized and love planning, Notion templates are hot right now. Think content calendars, budget trackers, freelance dashboards. These are selling like crazy. You can create them once, package them beautifully, and sell on Gumroad or your own site. People are earning hundreds, even thousands from a single popular template. Idea number 6, AI prompt engineering. Here's a futuristic one, prompt engineering. As more businesses use ChatGPT, they need help getting quality outputs. That's where you come in, helping them craft better prompts for emails, ad copy, or customer support. You can learn this in a few days and start offering it as a freelance service. It's new, it's niche, and it's growing fast. Idea number 7, local SEO services. Most local businesses don't know how to show up on Google Maps. That's where you come in. Offer to optimize their Google business profile, clean up citations, and improve their local search rankings. Learn the basics for free on YouTube, then charge $200 to $500 per setup. It's low competition, high reward, and builds real world results. You don't need a fancy office, a degree, or a big investment. You just need a courage to start. These 7 business ideas are your launchpad. Pick one, take messy action, and build from there. Comment below which one you'd start with. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe. I post weekly strategies to help you grow your income, invest smarter, and build real wealth in 2025 and beyond.